The one box I must say that I have not truly loved 100% is August ice cream box. It has nothing to do with the company, but some of the products I don't really care for. This is the first box. I've been getting this for 8 months. This is the first box. August ice cream box. Let us unbox so you can see what I'm talking about. I have opened it already and I looked at it. Blush Quad by Bella Cosmetics, $12. This is the Quad blush set by B Bella Cosmetics. It has a sleeve, and the sleeve is the same color as the packaging. It has 4 shades in there. It is light. I don't think any other shades here will complement me. Yeah, the orange look like it will be okay, but I'm not gonna use it for one shade. I'll have to give this away to someone else. But it's a pretty blush palette. Pretty. But the shades are not for me. And I understand you cannot win all of them. Some will have, it's catered to different people, and I understand that. But I always love the box. I'll still keep getting the box. I'm just saying, this one, there is a lot of stuff that is not for me. Next one, the blush palette is $12. The next thing is Chroma Cub Multi Chrome Eye Liquid by Santico Beauty, $20. This is the little teddy bear. This is the one from last month. They're cute. I think I'll just collect them. And this is the next one. This one is a different shade. I didn't open it. I might give that to someone because I already have this one. They have different colors, but I think I'll give this one to someone. Again, it is not the company. They're trying to promote a lot of small businesses, and each box is not going to please everybody. I understand that. I'm just telling you, this one is not my favorite. You know what I mean? Not my favorite. The next thing is Ruby or Sobe Lip Oil by Luminati Cosmetics, $21. And this is it right here. I guess I have Sobe. And it's pretty. Oh, it's licking. There's a little spillage. Nothing major. I don't have no problems with that. There is nothing the company can do about that. When you mail stuff, you don't know how it's going to be handled. So I'm fine. It's just a little drop. This is it. This is pretty. This is a lip oil. I got one a couple months ago, I think. Same company. And when you put it on, it's really nice. This is the one I got the last time. It's called Mauve. And this one is called Sobe. So I might give that to somebody also, because I have one already. I don't mind having multiple stuff, but I think I can donate these. The next thing is Girly Pop Highlighter Stick by Moon Slice Beauty, and it's $18, which is this. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't think that's my shade. Again, I'll give it to someone. So I'm not opening them. I'm not swatching them. I'm not doing anything because I want to get to the person I'm giving it to new. Last but not least, which I am excited for because I got to pick. They had Choice of Bloom palette or Deadly Rose palette by Clarity Cosmetics, and it's cost $40. So you know I pick Deadly Rose. Deadly Rose. I picked it. And this is Deadly Rose. They packaged this thing so good. The palette is in here and it has all this wrapping, all of this wrapping, this thick. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is wrapped with all of this. They wrap it so good. This is what the palette looks like. You see why I picked this? Yes! It's dark. And that's the sleeve. And then the sleeve and the palette is the same. But when I opened it, this is what I saw. A shattered shade. I don't want to turn it over because I'm afraid it's going to. The palette is so pretty. Take a look. Take a look at the palette. These are the shades. Right? So beautiful. But guess what? This one right here is shattered. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can bring it closer so you can see. You see it? And I'm okay with that also. It is not, and again, it is not the company's fault. When you mail stuff, you just don't know where and how it's going to arrive. They package it as well as they could. They did their job. Whatever happened out there, once it left them, that's it. I don't want a new palette from them. This I can use. I am fine. And this shade, I might just repress it or I might just take it out. It doesn't matter. I don't want anything. I don't want a new palette because it's not their fault. Let me swatch this shade for you. This shade is so pretty. It looks gritty, but it melts like powder. This is the shade. And it has a shift. Trust me, the camera is not doing this shade any justice. It's the gold. It has a gold. It looks silver. I mean, it is smooth, 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 smooth. But that's the shade that got destroyed. And I might just scoop it out because I don't want it to get everywhere every time. So this is my August. And it says August Wither or Bloom box. This palette right here made up for the whole box. This one palette erased everything I thought about the box. So I thank you all very, very much for watching. I will repress it. Looking at it now, I will repress. This thing is so fine and so smooth. I am telling you, I will repress it. I will repress it so I can use it in a look. And I want to say thank you all very much for watching this video. Always, always, always take care of self. And your I am and my I am for today is I am prosperous. I am prosperous. You are prosperous. Until I see you and you see me, please remember that you are prosperous. Bye.